Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another look at your forecast on this Good Friday, and we're going to start things off with a look at precipitation this month. And obviously, the majority of our precipitation, of the nearly 9 inches we have seen so far in April, came within the first couple of days. Now, we do have rain chances this weekend, but they are very, very low, both Saturday and Sunday. I think the majority of our rain is going to fall Sunday night and into Monday morning, but you can see we are over 6 inches above normal for where we should be by this time in April. But here's a look at the rainfall that's possible over the weekend. Not much across the bluegrass, just a couple of tenths. Should lead to no flooding issues, anything like that. The majority of the heaviest rainfall will stay well to our north and west, which is certainly good news because obviously we don't need any more rainfall based on what we've seen so far this month. Lots of sunshine today with a couple of afternoon, probably puffy fair weather cumulus clouds, no big deal. What will be headline grabbing will be the winds today. Quite strong out of the south and southwest between 30 and 35 miles an hour, but that pulls all that warmer air up into our area, which is why we're looking at upper 70s and lower 80s today. Maybe a little bit of an increase in our cloud cover tonight as that front gets a little bit closer. And then as we get deeper into the morning hours on Saturday, you can see some of that rainfall well off to the north. Some of those may sneak down to us, especially north of I-64 Saturday evening, but those chances are still relatively low. Upper 70s today and lower 80s. You see we should be in the upper 60s, so about 10 degrees above normal for the temperatures for this time of the year. Some spots it might feel actually, borderline hot, like Ashland, just a couple of degrees away from 90. That is a little warm for April. No reason, I think, to wash the car over the next couple of days with those rain chances. It may not last, so better safe than sorry. I'd wait till early next week when we have a guaranteed dry stretch. Into the 60s tonight, another mild night under partly cloudy skies. And then you look at the extended forecast. A couple of storms possible north of I-64 on Saturday. I think Easter will be dry but cloudy before most of the shower activity comes through Sunday night and into early on Monday morning.